Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to design a stunning invitation in Canva in just a few minutes. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, or any special event, Canva makes it super easy to create professional looking invitations without any design experience. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Canva website. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in invitation. This will bring up a wide variety of templates. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that matches your event's theme and vibe. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template. This opens Canva's editor where all the magic happens. The interface is clean and intuitive. On the left, you'll find tools to edit text, images, colors, and more. Start with the text. Click on any text box in the template and add your event details: name, date, time, venue, and anything else you need. Canva lets you adjust fonts, sizes, and colors, so make sure your text fits the overall style of your invitation. Next, let's tweak the visuals. If the template has images or graphics you want to change, you can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's huge library. Simply drag and drop the images you like and watch your design come to life. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and share. Click the download button at the top right. You can download your invitation as a PNG, JPG, or PDF. For high quality print, I recommend PDF. And just like that, you've created a beautiful, personalized invitation ready to print or share digitally. Canva makes designing easy, fun, and fast, no matter the occasion. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Don't forget to experiment and make each invitation truly yours.